Hope you have come across this kind of photos on your Instagram, Facebook, or other social media platform, and you are wondering how these videos are being created. Well, stop wondering, we are here to help you. Hello, this is the Creators Connect with Mr. P, and today we're gonna have a tutorial on how to add background to the videos you shot on green screen using your mobile phone. Alright, the app we will be using on this tutorial is inshot video editing app. So this app is available on both Google Play Store and Apple Store, so you have to head on there and download it. So after downloading, you open it. Alright, so once you open it, tap on video and then add the video that you shot on green screen. So I'll look for the video right now. Alright, this is the video and I'll tap good. I don't like seeing watermarks on my video, so I'll tap here and then tap on free remove. Then tap the main clip and then click on replace. Here you will find the background that you want your video to be. You can actually use videos, but for me, I prefer using photos. If you use photos, it will be very fast in saving the video. And then I will tap on PIP. This is the icon. I'll click on it and I'll put the video that I imported before. The video that I shot on green screen, I'll put it again. Right, I'll tap this icon here to zoom it. Then I'll click on chroma here, the icon. This is the icon, chroma. I'll tap on it and then I will shift this and that is in circle form to the color that I want it to remove. Okay, and this is, and the color is green, so I'll tap on strength and increase it to 100 and click good. Alright, so you can see that it's have removed the background. So I'll zoom it to make it more real, whereas it will look like I'm actually standing here. So let me zoom it depending on the kind of objects that you shot. So this is a blogging video, that's why I imported this background. So alright, we are lucky that this background suits the object. So in case the background you imported doesn't suit the object, you can either adjust the object or the background. You can actually adjust both of them. I think we should adjust the background. So you click on the main clip, which is the background, and tap on effects, then tap on this adjust option, and then here you can adjust it to your desired color. To compare between the original one and the one that you adjust the color, you click on this icon here. You can see it, you can see the difference. You can see the object is a bit out of the color, so we will adjust the object. We tap on PIP, click on the objects and click on flatters, click on adjust, and then we adjust it to fit the background. So let's go. So alright, so let's tap on this icon to compare it with the original. You can see the difference. Now it matches the background. Click on good, and then your video is good to go. Then tap on this icon to watch it before saving it to know whether it's how to add background. Right, after previewing it, you can actually adjust the background, the clip, by adding keyframes to it. This is the keyframe option. You can add it and then zoom it a little, and a lot sort of things you can do. Alright, to save, tap this save icon above and then choose your resolution frame rate format. So let's save it. Alright, so this is how to add background to the video that you shot on green screen using your mobile phone. So let's watch it.
And if you have any question, you can put it down in the comment section so that we attend to it.
And if you're watching this video on Facebook, don't forget to
share this video so that others can benefit from it. See you next time.